Nice ways to say number 1. Sounds nice, but I am not available. 2. I am honored that you asked me, but I can't do it. 3. I'm sorry, but I can't help you at this time. 4. Unfortunately, it's not a good time. 5. I am not available at the moment, but maybe next time. 6. Unfortunately, this is not something I can do right now. 7. I really appreciate you asking me, but I can't commit to that right now. 8. Sorry, but I can't make it, maybe another time. 9. Thanks for thinking of me, but I can't. 10. No, thanks.